What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video on Smooth Love Potion. I have covered SLP a lot in my days that I've been doing YouTube and covering cryptos. So whenever a day like this comes and that it's relatively bullish, it's up 12%, I always love to cover it. Apart from that, I also have some valuable insights on SLP and the burn versus mint ratio, which you will definitely want to hear about, I think. And if you know me, usually I don't say it like that, but you'll definitely want to see this because it's very interesting. And I think it could be the start of something great in terms of price for SLP. Now, first of all, good morning. Hope you all have a great week, at least a great start of the week. If we take a look at SLP, what we did is that you can see that this is the main resistance level between 0.44 and 0.46 cents. That's it, 0.46 cents. And earlier today, or yesterday already? Yeah, yesterday, we got that breakout. Very strong breakout, found resistance at this 5 cents, 5.2 cents, no, 0.5 cents, 0.52 cents area. And after that we dropped down to 0.48 cents, and now we're on top of that for 0.48 cents. So the big question is, can we get to our next price target between 0.56 and 0.58 cents? And I think we can, but it depends on one thing, because as you can see, there's quite a lot of bullish momentum right now. If we can actually within the next 24 or 36 hours close above 0.52 cents again, then I think we're definitely going up to that 0.58, 0.56 cents area. And from there, to be honest, I'll probably update it again because it's quite interesting. Because as I said, there are some mechanics behind SLP that definitely are pushing it forwards or upwards. So that's the main thing. And if we're not able to do that, to break above 0.52 cents, within the next 24 hours, then we will probably drop down again towards 0.45 cents and consolidate on top of that. But still, I have reason to believe that we will continue this like very slow uptrend we have gotten going on. For one main reason, and that's what we're getting into right now. So for now, that's my analysis on SLP. It basically we basically have an alarm of breaking 0.52 cents. If we do that, we can actually extend this. If we don't, we'll probably drop down and consolidate on top of 0.45 cents. But if we actually check out the SLP, and I always do this, if you go to xeworld.com and you check out their economics right here, charts, I think it is. And under chart types, you press SLP issuance. You basically see how much new SLP is being created, minted, and how much is being destroyed or burned. And you can see that over its lifetime, way more has been minted than burned. So what does that create? It creates inflation. All right, and inflation presses the price down. That's one of the reasons why we had this massive loss in value for SLP. So the interesting thing is, and I think it's very interesting, is that over the last couple of, I'm not sure, but over the last, since like the beginning of July, you can see that the amount being burned sometimes is actually over the amount being minted. Here, more burned, almost twice more, at least here. More being burned, and at least there's some days where we actually burn more than what we mint. All right, so I actually think from the beginning of July, net more is being burned than being minted. So does this instantly create deflation in SLP? Yes, it does, but it's not a lot, because there's 43 billion SLP right now. All right, that's a lot. And what you do with this is you burn like for example, this day we burned 12 million. Now obviously that doesn't cause a lot of deflation, all right, but what it does cause is a little bit more trust in the stability of SLP for now, because there's at least no more inflation. So I definitely think that maybe if XE will get played more, it's going to get very interesting to see how this mechanic will continue. And if we can actually keep up this momentum where we sometimes burn more, but at least those burn versus mint ratio is close to 1, that could actually be very beneficial for people holding SLP, and therefore I think we could actually see some strong bullish momentum for SLP within the next month. excuse me. I'm a little bit sick and tired, but doesn't matter. So I think that's very exciting and very interesting to definitely check out more. But for now, that's my analysis on SLP. As I said, I will definitely keep monitoring it and updating it more regularly. But for now, that's my analysis. So I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.